home page, login page, registration page have been completed, but in this project we will not add a new module or new item. We will simply make a bit rearrangement and introduce a bit of modularity. We will introduce a bit of modularity so that a lot of code that has been written into the register, login and possibly the index page, that code at the starting, that can be minimized, that can be shortened, that can be written at just one place. So if you recall that we have already discussed the concept of underscore view imports file. In this case, we will be adding in underscore view imports file so that it contains the common namespace directive at namespace. It will contain the path to our namespace that is used for all the 3 pages at present. The namespace that you can see is myrazor_app.pages. This namespace can be written at one place. So how will it help us modify? Just have a look at this. This is our previously one of the files and after modularity. Compare, this is add page, okay. At model myrazor_app.pages, this is the namespace and this is the class. So if I move this namespace to a common file view imports, then I can shorten this to add model register model. This will help me shorten this. Not only in this, but all the files, all the other files that I'll be adding to my project and which depend on the same namespace. So that will help us. Then this add tag helper, this directive is required on almost every page. So this can be added to that common place and it will not be required at this place. So these are the things that we are going to modify. We are going to add a view imports file so that at least these shortenings can be done at the moment. So let's have a look at the project. This is the project, and we, as I'm telling you, we had this index file, login file and register file. Now we have added a underscore view imports.cs HTML file, and this file has been added to the pages directory, and this applies to index, login and register page. And if we add any other pages in the future, then it will apply to all the pages present in the pages folder, and possibly in other pages, if I add some more folders to my pages folder, then it will also apply to them also. So that's a good advantage, and let us open it and double click to see what we have there. You can see that it contains a namespace directive, common namespace myrazor_app.pages. So if I look on this side, myrazor_app.pages, so it will apply to all the files contained parallel to this one at least, and deeper also, obviously, because the same namespace will be carried to the other files inside the pages folder. Then this add tag helper, it has been written at one place. As a result of that, my index.cs HTML file has become shorter. You can see that myrazor_app.pages.index model, as you can see here, has been shortened to index model. Rest everything is exactly the same. You can have a look at the login page also. The login model and add tag helpers have disappeared from here. So this is the objective of this step. So this is a short video which explains, but it's a big step again because it brings us to the modularity part. So a professional application should really look like this. I'll close it right now. Thank you.